Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to start off the 13 Days of Halloween series with a fun witchy mani from Lift Your Spirit Dips. The first color here is called Serpent, and this is like no other color I've ever used before. It is the most darkest grayish, greenish, blackish dip powder, and it is super fun. There's no staining, and it's very pretty. You're going to see it here in action in a few moments. And then we have Mystical, which is a gorgeous, chunky, fine glitter mix, and it is super pretty. It has like golds, greens, and it's just the perfect fall glitter. And the two of these together are gorgeous. Now, this is part of a duo called Theirs Be Dragon, and it's a really pretty duo, and you can get each of these colors individual as well. You do not need to get them in a duo, and you can also get them in sample sizes as well. And I just think these colors together are the perfect witchy Halloween vibe. So right now we are going to be making a fun set of press-ons. Now, if you don't want to do press-ons, you don't have to. You can do the same exact mani with whatever shape nail you want to use with these dip powders, and you can also do the gel method, or you can use your dip liquids. Totally up to you. That's the beauty of doing your nails at home, is that we can kind of do whatever we want. So right now we're going to go ahead and start with Serpent, and we are going to go ahead and dip all those nails first, and then we're going to go into that beautiful glitter, and then we're going to do a fun accent nail. So I'll pop back in a few moments. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and do a fun glitter accent nail. Now this was super easier than I thought it was gonna be. So right now I just went ahead and I placed gel base all over the entire nail and I did not cure it. And what I'm doing right now is I'm picking up some of those bigger hexagon shaped glitters first. And I'm just making sure that they're on the nail as straight as possible. And then now that we have all the larger ones, I was debating if I should just leave it like that, but I was like, no, it needs a little bit more sparkle. So then I thought those little ones shaped glitter were perfect to kind of go all the way down the tip, and it turned out really pretty. And I really like the color of the glitters with this color Serpent. Now, isn't Serpent pretty? It's just like the most prettiest color ever. It's so hard to describe, but yet it's so gorgeous. And check out those glitters. So now that we have the glitters on the nail, we're going to go ahead and flash cure that for about 8 to 10 seconds. And then I'm going to go ahead and use this little UV flashlight. And I'm going to carefully press down on those glitters just to make sure they're as flat as can be, because I don't want to have any of those glitters sticking up, and I don't want to have to file and buff this nail. So I really wanted those flat. So look how flat those glitters are with that little curing flashlight. I will go ahead and link everything that we used in today's mani in the description box below. But check it out. Aren't those glitters so flat? And it's super pretty, and I just love how the shifting change of those glitters. So now we're going to go ahead and finish up this mani. We're going to go ahead and put base coat over the entire nails. Then we're going to go ahead, cure that, and then it's time to put some top coat on. But I'm going to switch it up. I'm going to do one of the nails with a matte top coat, and I'm going to do the pinky. So we'll see how that turns out in just a moment. All right, and check out these nails. I think they're super fun, super Halloween-y. I love the shape, the color, and there's something about that matte nail. You kind of get the best of both worlds, glossy and matte with this mani. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. It will be the number 2 of the Halloween series. I will go ahead and link everything in the description box below, and I hope you have a spooky day. Bye!